If you're torn between Webull and TradingView in 2025, here's everything you need to know. Webull is a commission-free trading platform designed for active investors who want to trade stocks, ETFs, options, and even crypto, all within one sleek app that includes extended hours trading, advanced charting tools, and real-time market data for free, while TradingView is a powerful charting and analysis platform used by traders worldwide, offering some of the most advanced technical analysis tools, custom indicators, community scripts, and multi-chart layouts across different assets like Forex, crypto, and stocks. But here's the catch. TradingView is not a broker, meaning you can't actually place trades unless you link it to a third-party brokerage, whereas Webull is a full brokerage that lets you research, trade, and manage your portfolio all in one place. So if you're looking for a free, all-in-one platform to trade with a decent set of tools, Webull might be your pick. But if you're a charting nerd, day trader, or strategy tester who needs deep customization, TradingView is unmatched, especially with their paid plans like Pro or Premium, which unlock features like multiple alerts, more indicators per chart, and faster data. So the bottom line is this. If you want to trade and analyze in one app, go with Webull. But if you already use a broker and want to level up your analysis game, TradingView is your best friend. Now let me know in the comments which one you prefer. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more no BS investing guides every week.